What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So today, from the intro, you saw these pretty cool door sills or door pedals that my sponsor calls them. So I want to introduce one of my official sponsors, the BloomCar. They sent me out this awesome care package right here with these awesome door pedals or door sills, whatever you want to call them. Guys, in the box, they were very thorough. In the box, you have a set of instructions. You have some circular adhesive pads, charging cable, send you a pry tool, just in case. These pins over here helps press the buttons over here in case the buttons were to get stuck. These magnets over here are pretty damn strong. So what the magnets do is disengage. So there are 7 colors in this, and then there's a multicolor feature, so it'll cycle through different colors. Now once you have them on and you stick this magnet on your door, when your door gets in close proximity to this sensor right here, it shuts the door sill off, which is a pretty cool on-off feature. They also send some adhesive tape over here, which I doubt yet you're going to need any of this adhesive stuff because the door sills have pretty good magnets on them. I've tested them already, and they're also IP67 waterproof, and they even send you these caps right here to insert in the charging ports, which is pretty damn cool. So obviously in the box you get all of this stuff. You get your door sills, everything. They even have instructions, and guys, the instructions are pretty thorough. What I would definitely recommend is before you run this on your car, make sure you charge up the door sills first. I would say about 1 to 2 hours for each sill, and they'll last you a couple months. They're saying over like 3 to 4 months, so that's pretty damn cool. But anyway, so what you want to do is, now I just want to show you real quick. I also have another sponsor that sponsored me with door sills. These right here, these are pretty cool. See them right here? They're really nice, but you have to stick these on. Now, what ended up happening was my other door sill on the passenger side broke. Now, I only had 2 of them. I didn't have all 4. The BloomCar, I like their kits that they have where you can get all 4, but what I like about them is that they're magnetic. This one was a pain in the ass, and when I had to it broke, and when I had to take it off, and obviously it's electric as well, it all came apart when I was taking it off. So the cool thing is that I like the BloomCar stuff because it's magnetic. You could just take it on and off. If you have to clean your door sill or whatever the case might be, it's easy. Now guys, food for thought, always test your product first. So when you get them, charge them up, test them. They'll actually have enough juice in here to actually test them without charging them. So make sure your product works. Also, they have really good sales on this stuff right now. As of today is I think the 2nd or 3rd of October. They have like a 50% off sale. I don't know if it's going to be the same way by the time this video comes out, but who knows? Just always check their website. They're running pretty good sales, and you're getting this anywhere in the world, anywhere from between, I would say, 1 to 2 weeks, from 4 to 14 days or something like that, but that's pretty damn good. So anyway, make sure this right here, it looks a little faded because there's backing on here, so you have to peel off the backing before you stick it on. But I just want to show you something real quick. Oh, by the way, guys, the cool thing is about this too, you can customize this however you want. That's really what I like about this too. They're fully customizable. Look how cool that is. Fully customizable. As I said before, they have by the way, this material is acrylic. So acrylic, magnetic. Ooh, look how shiny that is. Man, that finish is clean, boy. That's clean. I like it. And obviously, I just want to show you real quick. You make sure, obviously, guys, you clean down the surface first. Wow, look how easy this is. Nice. And the fingerprints, it pretty much, it kind of goes away. So that's pretty cool. So I just want to show you real quick. This is fully customizable to your car. So they do a lot of cars. They've done thousands and thousands of cars. So they'll verify with you about the measurements on your door sill, which is this piece right here. They'll make sure that it's exact, because you don't want a bigger sill where it's going to hit your door. So they're going to verify that with you, and when they verify that, what's going to happen is they're going to send you, you know, a confirmation, and you can either get, like this one is a Subaru, you can either, it could say Subaru or whatever car you have, Honda, Lexus, it doesn't matter. Or look at the cool design they worked with me with here. Got the Hulk fist and the word Hulk smash. That's pretty damn cool. Now let's try it out real quick. What you do is you hold the button down, and it'll turn on. I'll show you demonstrations later on, and I have mine on multicolor mode. So it goes in different colors and patterns. Now, as I told you before, right over here is the sensor. So what you want to do is, they have magnets like this. This was from another project I was working on. So they have a magnet rectangular just like this. You stick right under the door, and you have to measure where this part of the door is coming in close proximity to this portion right here, and it'll shut it off. Let me show you. Watch when the magnet comes in contact with it. See? Move it, it starts back up. Close, shuts down. Move it, starts back up. See? That's pretty damn good. So that's pretty much it. So let me put these in. Oh, I just wanted to show you, before I slap these bad boys in real quick, I wanted to show you that I put the plugs into the charging ports, so it maintains that waterproof ability. Get what I'm saying? All right, guys, so before I forget, I wanted to show you the magnet placement real quick, but I think I forgot to show you guys this. When you hold the pedal down, okay, now see it on, right? Okay, so let's just cycle through the colors real quick. So you got red, you got green, you got purple, you got like yellowish type green, you got a different shade of purple, you got like a blue teal type color. It's pretty nice. You have white, and then you have the multicolor function as you keep pressing the button or whatnot. So now what I did was, you want to close your door, and you want to see exactly where the button is. Remember, right around this area, that's the sweet spot. So you want to make sure your magnet is right around that area. So what I did was, I placed my magnet over there, as you can see, and it's coming right in line with that. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to flip the camera over real quick, and I'm going to show you as I'm closing the door if it shuts the circuit off, okay? All right, guys, so I got my camera flipped just so I can show you this real quick. Now, what I also did, I actually put 3M tape on the location of the magnet. Put that bad boy right there. And as I said before, make sure you get it around the sweet spot. That's why I'm going to show you real quick as we open and shut the door. So now, okay, it's a really weird angle, so just bear with me. So you see the door sill is on. Now watch the circuit get cut. There you go. See how the circuit got cut right there? Because the magnet is in close proximity to the sensor on the door sill or the door pedal. Now watch it again. It's on, right? Okay, watch. Slowly. And the circuit got cut. It's on, got cut. It's on, got cut. Get it? That's it. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna peeled the backing off of these, put these on real quick. As I told you before, I didn't use any of this stuff. The only thing I'm going to be using from the actual kit is some 3M tape, just for the magnet for the location on the door, just in case. Honestly, I really don't think you need it. The magnets are really strong, but just in case. And don't forget to put these plugs into your sills, and that's really it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back a little bit later on in low lighting so I can really show you how dope these things look. Stay tuned. All right guys, I'm back. It's a little bit darker. I wanted to actually wait till it's pitch black, but it looks like it's about to rain and I'm not gonna get this car wet. So just wanted to show you guys this real quick. What I did was I lowered the exposure all the way so at least you could see. So now, once I open my door, boom, comes on, runs through all the different colors of the lights, different patterns, strobing, blinking. It's pretty cool. I like it, the way it breathes. The only thing that I would suggest that you guys make sure you get accurate is where the magnet is. With my lowered exposure, it's going to be a little bit weird to find. Yep, but my magnet is right over here. Don't know if you could see it, but the best thing to do, as I said, you slide the magnet on. You slide the magnet along the metal of the door and make sure it gets to right around here where that sweet spot is. Check the other side. Oh yeah. Yeah, that looks beautiful. And it's perfect right on the edge, right here, exactly on point with my with the actual door sill. It's perfect. So you close the door, nothing hits, nothing breaks. That's the big boy right here. Yeah, that looks hot. That is hot. It's beautiful. All right, guys, you know what to do. Definitely like, subscribe, comment, check out the BloomCar. They're on Instagram, Facebook. Right now, as I said earlier, they're running a sale around 50% off. Check them out. Pick up yours. If you got to customize it, just reach out to them. And that is really it. Thanks for hanging out with me again. I'll talk to you guys soon. Take it easy.